And we're on. Well, here we are. Before I show you guys what's going on behind this camera, let me set the stage just a little bit here. Little bit of the past. So I've been doing air conditioning and heating and mechanical work since what, 99? Yeah. I think I was about 19 or 20 years old, something like that. Prior to that, you're talking race cars, rock crawlers, hot rods, bikes, dirt bikes, boats, the list goes on. And it's continued on for the past, whatever year it is now, 2022. In my profession in the past 20, a little over 20 years as a heating and air conditioning guy, I have done a lot of wiring. I have seen a lot of jobs that are shocking. Just you name it. Well, I haven't seen it all. No one's ever seen it all. But I have seen a lot. You're talking about thousands of service calls a year. Well, let's see. Whatever. A bunch. This one might be, yeah, it's pretty bad. And what's even worse is it belongs to someone who I think highly of. I love her very, very much. She is one of the sweetest girls on the planet, and God bless her, she does try. And to be fair, all this is functioning right now. It's her solar charging system for her little tiny home trailer that she has traveled in the past 5 years. And I mean, to her credit, she hadn't burned it down yet, and it is functioning. So, credit where credit is due. But man, I gotta tell you, like, it's scary, and I just want everybody to know, like, there's no way I could possibly tell you how much of this stuff I've seen, primarily like in boats and in rock crawlers and hot rods. Anything that someone has built and had to mess with or tweak over the years, inevitably somebody comes along, makes some sort of crazy repair, and I see it and clean it up, so forth and so on. Let me guys show you this. I am shocked this trailer hasn't burned down yet, and I'm leaving for 2 months, 3 months to go work. And the trailer's sitting on the ranch right now, and I was like, I think I'm gonna unhook all this while we're both gone, because she's gone working as well for the next couple months, and I'm gonna surprise her and redo all of this for her when I get back. Hopefully she doesn't come home before me. But yeah, let me show you guys this. All right. Here we go. Try not to be super shaky. Ugh. All right. We've got a Phillips head screw holding down what looks to appear to be a 1 or a 2-aught cable, with another cable just, casually buried underneath it. This is nice. This is from the solar panels. It's just kind of, wedged in there a little bit. Just, just kind of laying on things. Yeah. Little sparks. That's cool. Hard to say what's going on here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's not even, it's not even tight. Oh my gosh. Who knows what's going on inside of this thing? We got this. This is special. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, again, another one. Just kind of chilling. Doing its thing. Sitting there doing nothing. Woo-wee. What we got here? I mean, she did crimp it. I'll give her that. Looks like with a couple of hammers or something. Yeah, that's it. So I'll give you the full shot here. That's the whole setup, and my goodness, it's one of the worst wiring jobs I've ever seen. Yeah, definitely. Alrighty. Well, this might be one of the worst wiring jobs I've ever seen. It's quite scary. I'm gonna surprise her. I'm gonna go get all the proper crimp fittings, the heat shrink, some new cable, and I am going to redo this entire mess for her because she deserves it. She's a wonderful, wonderful human. And I don't want her little tiny home to burn down. And I sure don't want it to burn down on my ranch and catch the ranch on fire, because that would be a shit situation. So, yeah, that's what's happening. Just thought I'd share with everybody the chaos that is there. It's shocking. Shocking. Yeah, we'll fix it though. No problem. Till next time, guys, have a good one. I think I'll do this as like a precursor, and then here in a couple, 2-3 months when I get back, we'll jump in here. We'll spend a day tidying up, get it all sorted out. So have a good one, guys. Catch you later.